Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Nubian Princess. Yes, so I wanted to hop on here really quick and make a quick video / lock extensions update. I know it's been a while since I have actually talked to you guys. I'm gonna make this video hopefully less than 10 minutes. Now, for all my new subscribers that have just joined, thank you guys so much. If this is your first time watching, please make sure you please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I come on here and talk about daily and life events as well as my hair journey. As you can see right now, I do have lock extensions. Yes, I know they look pretty real, but it is extensions. Half of it is my hair and the other half is the extension. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see what I got going on. Okay, so I had 2 strand twists in my hair that were they were put in January the 26th of 2024. And they were done in Nigeria when I was overseas in Africa. So once I got them done over there, I also got my lock extensions done over there by a really good loctician named Loc Palace _1. He's on Instagram. Again, it's Loc Palace _1. He's on Instagram. He's the one that installed my locks, and then his cousin, which is called Dread Palace _1, I think. Either way, I'll put it in the description. He was one that did my maintenance as far as my 2 strand twists. So both of those individuals hooked me up as far as my hair goes. Since I've come back, I have definitely washed my hair a couple of times. Ignore this, I had edge control. I've definitely washed my hair a couple of times, and I've taken my 2 strand twist out. Now, with me taking my 2 strand twist out, if you look, I still have like the little crinkles and the curls in there. So I feel like that's really cool. I've been able to wear this hairstyle out now for maybe, I don't know, I have to look on my video, maybe a week and a half. No, sorry, maybe a month now, or maybe less than that. But I took my 2 strand twist out not too long ago. But since then, I have not washed my hair. Since I took my 2 strand twist out, I haven't washed my hair. Reason why is because I'm trying to give my hair time to lock with the extensions. Since I did a lock maintenance back in January of 2029, I have this fear that if I wash my hair, it's going to expand and then it's going to like start, you know, like right here, I can feel like a little thin spot, but it's still together. So I just wanted to lock a little bit more before I wash it. So as of right now, I'm okay. I am gonna use like a towel and wet it and clean the edge control out of the front of my hair. But as you can see, I have a lot of new growth going on. I got a lot of new growth. Is that a gray hair? Ooh, your girl is starting to have gray hair, you guys. But it's not that much. I wish I had more. I love gray hair. I think gray hair is so cute. So yeah, I have a lot of new growth going on. So check that out. Check that out. So I'm definitely happy. And I'm still enjoying this journey. And I cannot wait for my hair to get really, really long. Let's look and see what the back looks like. So the back is like right here. So hopefully the next time you guys see me, it'll be down here. So we'll see. So I am excited about this journey. And right now, my second lock journey started in November. So we're in December, January, February, March, April. No, hold on. December, January, February, March, April, May. So I am 6 months into my lock extensions journey. So I am excited. Everything is going well. No locks have fallen out yet. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates. Hopefully you guys can see the hair. I am sorry that I'm in a hurry. I just don't want this video to be long. So let me do one more pass over so you can see what the hair is looking like. I really wish you guys can see the back. Okay. So that's what the hair is looking like. So this video is almost at 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and end it. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video and stay tuned for more. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.